As a trusted supplier, the client is a vital part of the spa journey, but the journey begins for us by supplying bed linen that is guaranteed for commercial use and designed for its performance. Happy therapists mean happy clients. Let's take a quick look at how quickly we can transform your treatment couch with the Pure Linen and SupremeSoft collections. The SupremeSoft couch cover is designed to fit most standard-sized couches and helps to create a sleek, fitted look for the bed. This can be helpful to hide sockets and wires and even makes a place for additional storage. Choose from a couch cover with a head hole for an integral head hole or without the hole for a bed with a cradle. The SupremeSoft jumbo sheet goes over the top of the couch cover as a comfortable base layer for your client to lie on. This cashmere soft fabric creates a smooth and soft feel on the skin. The deep collar protects the treatment couch and creates a double thickness layer for the comfort of your client, and is designed to protect the leather of the treatment couch and create a hygienic breathe hole for your client's comfort. For customers who have chosen toweling for their couch, the SupremeSoft header towel with the built-in deep collar is a cost-effective and practical solution, creating a soft base for facials and massage treatments that can be quickly and easily removed for washing. If you have an electric couch with multi-position arms, we also offer a sleek, elasticated sheet. SupremeSoft is made with a super soft polyester and cotton blend fabric with exceptional performance in wash tests. This lightweight fabric has been proven to save 70% energy in the time required for drying in comparison with traditional toweling, a helpful consideration, especially for spas and hotels considering an in-house laundry. In controlled tests, SupremeSoft towels and robes have less than 2.1% shrinkage after washing compared to other toweling that may shrink and lose its shape. And in wash tests, SupremeSoft is shown to last 40% longer than terry toweling. The SupremeSoft fabric is proven to absorb 65% less treatment oil compared with traditional toweling. As an alternative to towels, pure spa linen feels cool and smooth on the skin, helps to emphasize a feeling of opulence and luxury for your spa treatments. The embroidered edging can be supplied in smart slate grey, natural pebble, or pure white for an understated look. The hollow fibre anti-allergy duvet is plump and light to give your client a feeling of being cocooned. Fitted with a pure linen 100% cotton cover, which can be embroidered with your hotel or spa logo to any colour and design. And to complete the look, we have created a special sized pillow made to fit the treatment bed. You can also embroider the pillowcase. Because a luxury spa and hotel experience begins with BC SoftWear.